welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick and this is Polar Ice Creamery, where we make ice cream and eat a lot of ice cream. Today's video is just a little short one for you. We've just finished making the next video, which involved an entire cheesecake. But anyway, that's coming next time. This video is all about these little nuggets of ice cream here that we bought when we were on holiday in Canada. We went to Telus Spark, which was in Calgary, and it's all about space and everything. It's designed for kids and adults alike. Some really interesting things there, some augmented reality things. There are loads of things for our daughter to do, and she was only 18 months when we were there. So if you're in Calgary, definitely go and visit Telus Spark. I didn't go there when I was there last, which was quite a few years ago, what, six and a half years ago now. But whilst we were there, I personally spent loads of money in their shop, various funky t-shirts and mugs which got destroyed in the first month of bringing them home. But part of that was also these ice cream sandwiches, for more to the point, Astronaut ice cream sandwiches. So these are freeze dried. This is a vanilla ice cream sandwich. This one is obviously the cookies and cream. And then the Neapolitan, which, if you're unsure of what that is, it's older than I am, so it's been around a while, and it's 3 different colours and or flavours of ice cream. Originally it was vanilla, strawberry and chocolate. And back in the day you could get it in a nice slab in a cardboard kind of box, and you could open the cardboard box, cut a piece out and then eat it that way. But I thought we'd try these. They were $7.99, $8 each. Let's open them up, get them on a plate and see what they taste like. So we've got 2 out on the plate. Finally, the Neapolitan one. Like that. Let's unwrap from these lovely, neat little paper capsules. Nice kind of design to the biscuit. I mean, the ice cream kind of looks like nougat, of which the doctor says I have a deficiency. Let's get them all opened up, and oh, this one's broken. That's a shame, but it's come a long way. There we go. We got all 3 on the plate. These 2 did break in transit, but this one has made it whole, so we're gonna do that one last. This one is the cookies and cream. Again, the biscuit's quite nice. It's a nice colour. It's obviously very dry. It's dehydrated food, so it's going to be unique in texture. But on the back, it does say that it's delicious, crunchy ice cream that is creamy sweetness, yet melts in the mouth. So let's see how much of that is actually true. It is definitely crunchy. I don't know if you heard that on the microphone. Let's do it again. So, crunchiness aside, what does it taste like? Doesn't really taste of a lot. It does taste kind of like cookies and cream ice cream. It's not particularly creamy, but you do get a bit of a lingering taste of something. Whether that's it's developing as time goes on. But my wife said, you know, if you're on the International Space Station and you really want ice cream and this is your only option, would it suffice? I don't know, and I'll never find out. But if you're an astronaut, let us know. Anyway, cookies and cream, It's definitely called cookies and cream. Doesn't really taste like it. But let's move on to the next one, which is what? Just plain old vanilla. These... It's kind of got like an artificial vanilla flavour. That's not flavour, that's the smell. An artificial vanilla smell. But I guess that's what you'd expect for something like this. Why would you make a super luxury product and then dehydrate it and stick it in a pack? And it's an entertainment piece of food. It's not really designed to be, you know, super luxury kind of product. But again, same biscuit, solid as a rock. Let's try this one. So that one definitely does have a stronger flavour. It's kind of vanilla-like, but it's not vanilla-y. It's a strange kind of taste. You can understand that it's trying to be vanilla, but at the same time, it's kind of failing. It does taste a bit creamier than the other one, that's for sure. Well, that's because there's no bits in the dehydrated ice cream. You know, the cookies and cream have got little bits of cookie in there. This one obviously has nothing, so it's completely plain inside. We'll try a bit of the ice cream on its own. So that just completely disappears in the mouth. That little bit just went pew, gone completely. But what you're left with then is this slightly cloying texture in your mouth. It's a bit weird. Finally, onto the Neapolitan one. Whether these actually taste like the original flavours they're supposed to be, your guess is as good as mine. Let's try a bite of the strawberry end first. Now actually, that's got quite a strong strawberry flavour, which is surprising. Considering the weakness of the other two flavours, this one is much stronger. Texture-wise, you know, taste profile, does this flavour develop after? Yeah, a little bit, it does, but it's a much more of an instant impact flavour. So the chocolate end, you can definitely taste the cocoa. It's a cheap, super cheap cocoa flavour. Actually, you know what? It kind of reminds me of Nesquik. Nesquik chocolate milkshake powder. That's what that tastes like. Creamy, yes, a little bit creamier than the others. Not particularly strong flavour. Overall, these are for entertainment purposes. You know, you're not gonna get something amazing. If you want an ice cream sandwich, go out and buy an ice cream sandwich that's actually got real cold ice cream in it. Nice soft cookie. That's how you get that real kind of ice cream sandwich experience. But this is a bit of fun. Yes, they are expensive, but you know, if you want to just have a bit of fun with your kids, or even just as an older kid like me, then go out, buy some of these, munch on through them, and then at least if you're an older kid, you can wash it down with something a bit more appetizing. But overall, glad we bought them, glad we tried them. Hope you enjoyed the little video. We look forward to seeing you next week when it's a much bigger video. Like I said, there's a whole cheesecake involved in the next one, so if you want to watch that one, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.